Banahene Tutorial Collections welcomes you to another Microsoft Windows tutorials. In this particular video, we are going to look at some Windows tips and tricks that we can utilize to make our work easier when we are using our computer system. Let's dive in and explore these Windows tips and tricks. This is my Windows interface and I have all my elements and also features activated so I can perform any tasks on this particular interface based on my requirements. Now there is a special key on the computer keyboard that has simple and advanced functionalities and capabilities with combinations of other keyboard keys, and this provides numerous shortcuts and also a rich set of commands and also macros for basic Windows functions. So this particular key we are going to look at in this particular video is very special, and when you combine them with other keyboard keys, they perform other functionalities which are simple and can also be advanced as compared to using the computer mouse to perform those actions. So let's dive in and see how we can use this special key which is known as the Windows logo key on our computer keyboard, combine them with other keyboard keys to perform some actions. So let's get ready and drive. Now on this Windows interface, when I hold the Windows logo key and the letter A, this brings out this pane, and this pane or this window is known as the Action Center. The purpose of this window is to display or prompt you messages that has been sent to you through your computer system based on different kinds of softwares you are using. So you can see that I have these messages which are from my TikTok account, and this particular window is going to display all messages that I have received from my TikTok account, and I'm going to have overview of it, and also it displays information about your computer system, especially when you need to activate your antivirus and also to update your antivirus and other softwares on your computer system. When you move below this, we have some options here. This gives you an option to collapse these options. You can also expand these options so that you can have full display of these commands. We have the first one as location. This helps you to activate and also deactivate your location. We have the night light, especially when you want to limit the brightness of your screen. When you click on this, this is going to reduce the brightness to night light so that the brightness will have a bit of reduction. When you move to this side, we have mobile hotspot. You can also have a connection to your mobile. We also have this airplane mode where you can deactivate and also activate it. We have this command known as all settings, and when you activate this, you can apply so many settings to your computer system. This is also a network option where you can connect your computer to a wireless connection or a cable connection. You also have this connect where you can link between your computer and other computing devices. We also have this project, VPN, alarms only, and also where you can take a picture on your Windows interface. So this particular window known as the Action Center is very important. So whenever you hold the Windows key and the letter A, you get access to this pane. The next keyboard shortcut is the Windows key and the letter B, and this is going to select this arrow, and this arrow is known as the show hidden icons. And when you press the enter key on the keyboard, this is going to display all hidden icons under this particular arrow, and these are some of the icons available, and you can click to launch them, and these icons are known as the show hidden icons. Sometimes when you open some programs or some icons, they are displayed in this particular section. So if this is activated, you can use your arrow keys to select any of these icons without the mouse, and when you hit the enter key, this is going to launch or open this particular icon. So this is known as the show hidden icons whenever you hold the Windows key and the letter B. The next Windows tip is the Windows key and the letter C. This is going to open Cortana on your Windows interface, and currently Cortana in Windows as a standalone app is deprecated. It is not currently available in Windows 10. It has been replaced by the Microsoft Copilot or the Bing AI, that is the artificial intelligence. So any action that can be done previously by the Cortana can now be done within the Bing AI, which is the Bing or Microsoft Bing artificial intelligence. So the Windows and the letter C opens the Cortana. But if surprisingly this is working on your Windows interface, then you are wild to go. You can use it to search for information. You can speak through using your mic to get information as compared to the current Bing AI. So the Windows and the letter C opens the Cortana on our Windows interface. Now the next keyboard shortcut or the Windows tip is when you have multiple windows opened on your desktop, you have a simple click to have all these windows minimized at once. So let's assume that I have this app open. I'm going to open about 3 or 4 apps inclusive to this one. Now I have all these 4 apps open on my Windows interface, and if I want to minimize all these windows and get access to the desktop background and perform any other function or functionality, then I have to minimize these apps individually. But we have a Windows tip, which is a keyboard shortcut that can have this particular operation done for you in an easy way. So when I hold the Windows key and the letter D, this is going to vanish all these opened apps on the desktop background so that I can get access to the desktop or the Windows interface and perform any other actions. And all these apps are minimized onto the Windows taskbar. So when you come back to the taskbar, you can see that all these apps are available. So this is also a wonderful tip you can utilize when you are working within your Windows interface. The next one is to open the File Explorer or the Windows Explorer on your Windows interface. This particular window gives you access to get your local disk C and also your local disk D and any other removable devices that has been connected to your computer system. So when I hold the Windows key and the letter E, this opens the File Explorer, and when I move to the navigation pane, I have the option to select the local disk D and also the local disk C, which gives me the option to access some installed files and folders and also programs on my computer system. So this is a tip of opening the Windows Explorer, and you can perform any action within this particular window. These are some of the Windows tips and tricks I want to share with you in this particular video. Please utilize them and it will make your work easier when you are working within your computer system. Thank you for watching, but remember to give it a like